In this video, we're going to be talking about whether you should do a link click campaign, a conversion campaign, or a lead collection campaign when you're using Facebook ads or Meta ads or Instagram ads, all the same thing. If you're a business, you've certainly heard the advice that you need to try Meta ads. You need to try running ads. But when you go to run an ad, there's a lot of different options of what type of ad you want to run. Oh, do you want to just drive people to your page? Oh, do you want to just get a bunch of likes on this photo? Which one do you think would be best for your business? The first one we're going to talk about is the link click campaign. When I first ran some of my ads, I believed that I needed people to see my brand and see my Instagram, my company's page, and just kind of see what we do to build that awareness in people's brains. The truth is that I ran like $50 into a link click campaign and it did absolutely nothing for me. These were very inactive, not quality people that were coming to my site. So that $50 wasn't well spent, in my opinion. Those 100 people that might have clicked, they never actually created accounts. They never put their information in. I never heard from them ever again. It was just not worth it. Now, again, bringing up my friend who taught me Meta ads, he told me never run a link click campaign. It's a huge waste. He told me to run only conversion campaigns and lead campaigns. This is what he explained to me. He explained to me that Meta has gotten so smart on knowing who's more likely to just click an ad and window shop versus who's more likely to actually click the ad and be interested in the product and actually buy the product. Conversion versus link clicks. If you tell Meta, hey, I want a bunch of link clicks, it's gonna get you link clicks. But the problem is that they're gonna send it to a bunch of people that just click whatever link that's put in their feed. And these aren't actual quality people. If you tell Meta, hey, get me conversions, Meta is very smart. They're gonna get you the person that's actually most likely to buy something online, to buy from, in my case, it's services online, book services online. You have to steer Meta in the right direction. So as long as you tell Meta what your priority is, Meta is pretty good at getting you those results that you want. And real quick, guys, if you can just take 1 second to smash that like button and hit that subscribe for me, it would really mean a lot. It would help my channel a lot, and it would help us grow and help me keep making videos like this and trying to spread knowledge. So if you could just take a second to do that, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. So that being said, I've only been running conversion campaigns since then, and I've gotten way higher quality traffic coming to my site. These people are creating accounts, adding things to their cart. They're actually interested in the services and they're getting very close to actually purchasing. And they're actually creating accounts for us to follow up with them later and get them over the finish line at a later date. It's all about timing with sales. You got to follow up 5 different times, and then that 5th, 6th time, that might be the day that they're actually like, okay, I have been putting off this car cleaning for a while. Let me just do it today. Oh, I've been putting off this haircut for a while. Let me do it today. I've been putting off cleaning my crib. Let me do it today. It's all about that follow-up. So the link click campaigns, no good. Conversion campaigns, way, way better. And mind you, on a conversion campaign, you're still getting the link click. When I was running the link click campaign, I might have been getting $1 a link click. On the conversion campaign, I was getting $1.20 a link click. So the difference was not that much more expensive, but the quality was way, way, way better. So there's no reason to do any link click campaigns. Just go straight to conversion campaigns. Now, the third type of campaign we're going to talk about is also very, very high quality, and that is the lead campaigns. So these are specifically made. You're telling Meta, I want to collect as many leads that are interested in this thing. Why are lead campaigns the new hot topic on Meta ads that a lot of marketers are talking about and focused on? It's because you don't actually have to leave the platform. To get somebody to leave a platform and do a bunch of stuff, sometimes it's a little harder. Lead campaigns you stay in the app. You can actually be swiping on a story, see something you like, it autofills their information and they can just be like, yes, I want that, click. And then they just swipe to the next story. And these are people, so you're getting their phone number, you're getting their email, and you're actually able to blast them with promotions and offers. You're able to even call them if you want. Call them and try to pitch them on the phone. And the leads are really, really cheap. Depending on the offer, how good your offer is always gonna matter. How good the image is and everything, that's gonna matter. So to recap, link click campaign, no bueno. I haven't done a brand awareness campaign, but my friend says not worth it. I have done a likes campaign where, you tell Instagram, hey, I want a bunch of people to, like my photo. That was like $30. Not worth it at all, guys. Not worth it. I'm sorry. Conversion campaigns, lead campaigns, those are the best bets that you can take. It will get you the best results. It'll actually bring money into your pocket. You'll actually get a return on your investment. So if you got any valuable information from this video at all, guys, I would really appreciate it if you just take a second to smash that like button for me and hit that subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. It would help my channel, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. See you in the next one.